Demystifying, crypt, in English. Hey there! Today, we're diving into the word, crypt, to understand its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. Crypt is a fascinating word with historical and modern usages. Let's unravel its secrets. Crypt originally comes from the Greek word kryptos, which means hidden. In ancient times, crypts were mainly underground chambers used for burial purposes. Many old churches and cathedrals have crypts where notable people or religious figures were buried. Example: the famous cathedral, Notre Dame in Paris, has a crypt where ancient relics and remains are stored. While the historical context relates to burial chambers, in today's world, crypt can also be used metaphorically. 1. Architecture and buildings. Even today, some buildings, especially religious ones, might have a crypt. It's not always for burial. Sometimes, it's just a hidden or secluded chamber in the structure. 2. Literature and pop culture. Authors and filmmakers sometimes use the idea of a crypt to denote mystery, hidden treasures, or dangers lurking in the shadows. If you've read novels or seen movies where adventurers explore old, hidden chambers, they might very well be exploring a crypt. 3. Technology. With the rise of digital technologies, the term cryptography has become popular. It is the art of writing or solving codes. While cryptography and crypt might seem related due to their roots in hidden or secret, remember that they are used in very different contexts. 1. Descriptive usage. 2. The cathedral's crypt holds the remains of several saints. 3. Metaphorical usage. 4. The old mansion had many rooms, each one a crypt of memories and secrets. 5. Question format. 6. Have you visited the crypt beneath that ancient chapel? And that's a wrap on crypt. From underground burial chambers to the mysterious corners of stories and even into the digital world, crypt is a word with layers of meaning. We hope this video helped demystify the word for you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the vast world of the English language.